Hi everyone. This week I had my abdominal ultrasound, and the result was good. I didn't have any fat in my liver, so it means that my family doctor will have to continue to investigate to try to see what could be responsible for my elevated liver enzymes, since it doesn't seem to be related to fat. And I still haven't received a phone call about my full blood test results. So I'm awaiting that, and hopefully it's going to be fine, and we're going to find the problem and fix it. After that, this week, I recontacted my cousin, and he helped me to recopy a text, but only one, because unfortunately I struggled again with productivity, so I didn't do much, and I just didn't feel that what I was doing was like enough to recontact him. So I waited, unfortunately, but I will have to do more. But I still send a new email to another very important person, and I also send emails to English media. So I translated the emails that I had sent to the French media. I changed the email a little bit, but it's mostly the same thing. I changed a little something, but it's again, it's just nothing that I expect to work. But I felt that I had to do it. That I had to send those emails, and but I don't expect anything from them, obviously. So I have a small anecdote to tell you that happened this week. One day, it was supposed to rain, so I brought an umbrella with me when I had to go do my groceries, and on my way back home, I had two bags, so I put my umbrella in my bucket. Okay, it wasn't raining, and at some point, I realized that I had lost my umbrella. So I went back and to try to find it, but unfortunately I couldn't find it. So someone probably took it. So what happened is that when I was walking, probably at some point, I ran a little bit, okay, and my umbrella fell on the streets, but I couldn't hear it fall because I was listening to something with my earbuds. So this is still unfortunate, but stuff happens. That's life. So for next week, I feel that I will have to contact my cousin again, and I put a lot more pressure this time. I don't like to do it because he may not necessarily be interested in that, but we'll see. This time I will have to put, like I said, much more pressure, because it feels, it is so hard for me that it feels like actually have to ask my cousin to write the majority of my text for me. Okay, it's that hard. But so I don't know what's going to happen, but I have to try new stuff and then see what works and what doesn't. And when something doesn't work, I have to move to something else. And by doing that, I think that it's going to help me to move forward. So that's pretty much what happened this week. So thanks for watching, and see you in another video.